Hello, everyone. My name is Owen, and today our Group 7 will answer Lafley and Martin's 5 questions for BIC, Belgium Investment Company. First, what is our winning aspiration? Lafley and Martin indicates that winning aspiration is the abstract concept of winning that later gets translated into defined aspiration, thus serving as a purposeful guideline for a firm to be constantly be powered. The company must seek for a particular place and method to win, and the case indicates that BIC had immense interest in searching for investment opportunities in CRM tech industry while also fiercely investing in other realms. Thus, BIC's winning aspiration can be best described as to becoming the leading investment and CRM tool provider company worldwide and preserve the position for long term with sustainability tactics. According to Lozano's research, understanding the customer's demand and expectation is one of the key external drivers that fosters corporate sustainability. Thus, BIC can consider CRM technologies not only as an investment chance to generate revenue, but also to integrate it within their own business model. For instance, by appropriately managing their investing firms, whether they're young or established, BIC can strengthen their customer relationship as well as their long-term operational and investment initiatives. Now, my group members will show how exactly BIC will carry out their winning aspiration.
So now, where will BIC play? Being one of the largest investment companies in Belgium, BIC must consider customer segments beyond Europe, with specific channels to build their B2B channels to further sustain and drive shareholders' wealth. And the global CRM market size is projected to reach over $113.5 billion by the end of 2027 due to the presence of large-scale vendors contributing to the growth of the CRM market. And there has been an increase in the integration of advanced concepts such as AI and the IoT that will emerge in favor of growth of the market in the coming years, which is a key factor to seeing financial feasibility. The increase in investments to the CRM market allows BIC to enter the playing field, thus allowing its bleeding edge software to create growth opportunities in the market and capitalizing the emergent market growth. Globalizing BIC's near-rhythm tool is a key factor to widen their approach to finding prospective international organizations via their B2B channels to expose BIC's bleeding edge technology. For instance, from the year 2003, Samsung has implemented a CRM solution, SAP, as the foundation for new integrated marketing campaigns aimed at improving customer service and increasing brand awareness. BIC can enter the field and extend their lead by offering new demands of their reputable software that is high in quality and also low in cost to international organizations like Samsung. However, this requires massive injections of cash flow from BIC to extend the company's lead and to take a greater leap. And this can be done through strong marketing and wider networking to achieve the latter goal of financial sustainability. Internal financing is becoming a value for companies and not a source of cost. A saying frequently heard in business is customer is king. The CRM market at its core is to build strong connections with customers. Henceforth, collaborating with a customer-centric company is a core playing field that will not only create a new demand in the market, but to also add value to the whole CRM market as well, and allowing BIC to capitalize the market and receive a higher return on sustainable investment.
All right, so next up, we'll be introducing the financial feasibility of our winning strategies. Given that our Blue Ocean strategy is about focusing on an untapped market driving demands, there's opportunity for highly profitable growth. To make our strategy as systematic and actionable as possible, we will mitigate risk through diversified revenue streams and allocating resources with room for emergency funds. Our first strategy is to partner with both public and private sectors. For instance, we'll be partnering with growing companies such as Wealthsimple in order to enable diversified product offerings while securing the market cap in sectors that are yet to be saturated. So taking RFID as an example, we can see that it is imperative to analyze and project key metrics such as ROI, BC ratio, and future cash flow. Secondly, we'll be ensuring long-term partnership by forming strategic alliances, in addition to continuing to provide exceptional customer service.
In terms of continuing success, BIC can greatly benefit from strategic partnerships with different organizations as well as through investments in public and private sectors such as hedge funds. Marketing New Rhythm as a solution can attract customers due to its innovative and efficient premise. It will be essential for BIC to overcome our innovator's dilemma, which is the conflict between keeping current customers content and innovating for future prospects. Innovator's dilemma can play a big part in BIC's overall success, as in maintaining customers, innovative processes must continue to advance in order for a consistent stream of ongoing clients. In order to satisfy partners, innovative processes and advancement of new rhythm solution must be chosen as the main factor in the growth of the company. BIC must work towards overcoming user demand rather than solely relying on supply.
Now onto BIC's core capabilities. To achieve long-term sustainable globalization, BIC needs corporate social responsibility, or CSR, and the Prestige strategy. Mo Ghonim states that CSR is an important differentiator that yields legitimacy, brand awareness, and long-term profits. And BIC can emulate this for the CRM market to raise company productivity that would help BIC play on its strengths of leveraging resources needed for globalization. For example, Saudi Arabia has 20% of the world's oil reserves and is the largest oil exporter in the world. But due to the recent downfalls, the government is attempting to diversify its economy through CSR initiatives. And depending on where BIC plays worldwide, the company must also be mindful of not crossing legal boundaries like privacy policies in foreign countries like Saudi Arabia to avoid demise in new segments.
Using the Prestige strategy, BIC can build its brand in its new segments with new rhythms, prestigious technology that globally recognized. BIC can become a market share leader with foreign partnerships like how P&G popularized Olay by boosting its image as its luxury brand that people deserve. Similarly, BIC can become a renowned data mining provider with new rhythm in continuing to analyze customer preferences to better predict relevant changes, making it hard for competitors to follow in long term.
Next, we're going to discuss BIC's required management system. In the process of analyzing BIC's management systems, our group found that it's important to implement an S-curve for both the internal monitoring and external guidance for the company's periodical development. Through the S-curve, BIC can determine the strengths of neuroism in compared to its rivals in the market. By understanding customers' needs, the company can further plan on implementing B2B strategies and weigh purchase intent through their development. Through progress tracking, BIC will have a prediction of when they will occupy the market and set up a goal for it. The precise external management system related to B2B market will help BIC maximize all stakeholder benefits and therefore build up a strong reputation. The value of external connectedness and resource management will bring the company with abundant information and knowledge and better help it to understand the market needs. Besides, outreaching connections, including structural, administrative, institutional, and etc., will provide assistance for BIC's future innovation strategies and achieve a sustainable development.
Compliance software is a business system. This type of software helps you manage risk, deploy optimized workflows, and give employees greater visibility and knowledge of compliance requirements. In terms of compliance software, BIC uses XSP software, which is powered by AI. It can help BIC solve the accessibility problem of web pages and enable compliance to reach every business. Open dialogue communication as an internal management system can express employees' concerns and explore other workers' ideas. Secondly, the investor and investee will have a better cooperation and unity, since open dialogue communication would help achieve a higher level of understanding. Thirdly, the characteristics of effective communication are efficiency and accuracy. When teams communicate and reach consensus, it makes future collaboration more effective. That's the end of our presentation. Thanks for listening.